everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be more of a practical demonstration on how I find text designs to upload onto Redbubble. So let's just get started. So the first thing I do is, let me just move over my mic real quick. Okay, there we go. The first thing you need to do to upload designs to Redbubble is obviously have a Redbubble account. So let's just go on to Redbubble. And to sign up, you click the sign up button and click artist sign up and enter all your details and sign up. And there we go, you have a Redbubble account. You don't need to pay anything. So the next thing, once you have your account set up and you fill in all the information, there's like, information on putting your name and address and your email and your payment details, all that jazz. Once you've done that, great, you've completed step number 1. Step number 2 is to actually find the design. So how do I find the designs? Well, the first thing you can do is go back onto Redbubble and see what's trending. So here we can see that Squid Game is trending, Best Knitting Mom Ever is trending, and Mike Leach is trending. So Squid Game, obviously we can't do anything with that because it's a brand, it's copyrighted. But this second one looks interesting because knitting, you can come up with anything to do with knitting. So let's see the results. Okay, so it's like a gift for your mom. So we need to find some text to do with knitting. So Best Knitting Mom Ever, I guess you could use that, but like we need to change ours a bit so it's more unique, So we should go back to Google and we can type in, let's say, knitting jokes or mom that knits or something like that. Let's see knitting jokes and see if we can find anything interesting. To knit or not to knit? Now that's just a silly question. That's quite funny, but we need to change it up a bit. Still looking for something. Housework is for those who don't know how to knit. That's funny as well. Let's type in mom knitting quotes. Let's see what comes up. Okay. If I'm sitting, I'm knitting. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so once you have something in mind, going on to your Canva account, create a Canva account, it's free as well. And we're going to create a new document. So let's say, I think we'll go for poster. It has a decent size. Okay, and now we will go to the text option, add a text box, and type in our text. Let's say if I sit, I knit. That a bit bigger. And there we go. So, you can style it and add up elements. So let's say knit. Okay, I like this one. It's kind of pink. So we'll add that. It can be anywhere really. There we go. You can make it bold, or you can leave out the picture if you don't want it to. I think we should change the font. Let's say something a bit more fancy. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, if I sit, I knit, and there you go, you have your design. So once you have this, you are going to download the file, save it, and download the file. Okay, so that's downloading. So now we don't have the Pro Canva account, so we need to take off the background without using Canva. So to do that, there is a website called LunaPic. Oh, spelled it wrong. Here we go. Okay, so I've uploaded the design onto LunaPic, and so to take out the background, all you do is edit transparent background, and voila, the background has disappeared. So you obviously need to take care of these small bits as well, so you just repeat the process for the, little bits that are left over. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you. And click apply, don't forget to click apply. Okay, so now all you need to do is go to Redbubble and upload the document. Okay, so once you've uploaded your document, should look something like this. As you can see, so we just need to optimize everything for the image, add a title. If I sit on it, I usually just go for the words, and then you should add in your tags, so keywords. If you want me to do a separate video on that and how I find my keywords, let me know in the comments. But could be knitting, the obvious one, Happy Mother's Day, stuff like that. Gift for her. Yeah, okay, and then provide a brief description of your work, and then you optimize everything. So if you don't know how to optimize, you just basically edit, scale image, make it look decent, change the color if you want, but I usually just leave it on default. And then you just enable every single product. So once you've done that, all you need to do is select upload and you should be good to go. And then just rinse and repeat this process, and make sure to look for, things that are trending or evergreen designs, because those are the ones that will do best. So before I wrap up this video, I just wanted to take you guys back to this slide on one of my previous videos. Remember, when looking for designs, make sure that they have low competition on Redbubble, or if they're trending, that's good as well. So low competition, less than 500 uploads, or less than 100, even better. And even if you are not an artist like me, text-based designs do work, and the fact that I've made a single sale on Redbubble is proof of that. And then evergreen designs seem to work best for me. This is just what I did, so if you want to follow this tutorial, chances are that you will make your first sale. And remember to be consistent. Alright, if you made it to the end of this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!